We probably ought to go get a set of chocks for your airplane.
Oh, okay.
I put my... Here too. I fix most of my airplanes over here around this area.
Everybody back at your attention for
My brother had his plane there.
A set of keys.
Yeah. What's your name of your brother?
System, the batteries taped
Jack,
in the
that's
back.
my buddy. I fly with him all the time.
Southwest
He
parking
quit
lot.
now. He got
He'll be up here on the
Marcus,
announcer's table.
great.
Want to come get
Absolutely the best guy ever around. He used to fly the Corsairs.
Oh yeah, I know.
So you and my brother Jack, I'll be there. Oh yeah, Jack is like a. Oh, ask him Carlos.
Yeah.
I fly with him, with Bill Canals and all the guys.
Yeah, I used to go up there and fly with him and go up to.
Nice airplane though. He got it at 182 RG.
Yeah, he sold it. He said.
Yeah.
Did you hear that?
I heard it was somebody was interested. I was almost.
The guy came from Texas, and he looked at it, and he was going to get some 70-some thousand.
Yeah, and
That's
it's
what he paid for it originally. But.
Yo, man, I wish I could have the money to buy it because I like his airplane. He's good airplane.
Oh, he takes care of things.
Yeah, he's good. The guy that maintains it's a friend of mine.
be a part of your Saturday here in
I'm always
Waukegan.
surprised
You got the world's greatest air show performers.
when I've been flying
They've been to their mandatory
that the runways
briefing.
look so damn
Everything's
short
in place, so it's going to be a
when you're
great
coming
opening
down.
weekend for this show.
Look at that air, just those, take a look at 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And here he covers, ladies and gentlemen, Michael Backman. Down across a 9G, pulled into the vertical, winding himself into that blue sky, converts it into the barnacle right around the wingtip spin. Cooking as he comes down in. He's got that 1,425 horsepower right cyclone apprentice right. Really cooking as he comes down the show line. Right on up. Look at that airplane just